Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you exactly how to get started with the new Chop Shop DLC in GTA 5 Online. So firstly, after the DLC is out and after you completed the updating process of your game, the moment you will join the online server, you will receive a call from Yusuf Amir. Just simply pick that up and after that, just simply go to your phone, then just simply go to the internet and then just simply go to the Maze Bank option, then enter the site. And then the next thing that you have to do is you have to buy the Chop Shop property. So the best one is the strawberry one over here. So the reason I was suggesting you this particular property is because it is inside the city and there is a lot of traveling that you have to do. And if you will have this particular property over here, the traveling will be much shorter and easier. But it is a bit in a costly side, as you can see right over here. So if you can afford this, just simply get this one or just simply get this one right over here. And it is also the most cheapest one as well. So it is totally up to you which one you want. But I will again suggest that you take this one right over here and renovate it however you want to renovate. It's totally up to you. And then all you have to do is just simply click on buy. Then click on buy and complete the transaction. And now just simply click on set waypoint and go to your property. And after you purchase the property, you will be again receiving the phone call from Yusuf Amir. So just simply hear him out. And now just simply head over to the property. Now just simply go inside. And after you get inside, there will be a small cutscene that you can watch. But I'm not going to show you because I don't want to give any spoilers. So just simply watch yourself when you will get inside. So after the cutscene is over, just simply head over to the computer and then just simply register as the boss. And then just simply go over to the computer and then press E. And now right over here, you will have all the missions as you can see over here. Now just simply complete them and then you're good to go. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like, subscribe to our channel and take care.